Hi dancers! Today I'm going to show you how to change out your drawstring. I personally like elastic drawstrings in my Pointe shoes, so whenever they come with cotton drawstrings, I change them out. There's just a few things you need, and I'm going to show them to you and also give you links down below. Scissors, elastic drawstring, a seam ripper, your needle and your thread, and this very handy loop tool. And I will have a link for that. You can get them at any fabric or sewing supply store like Joann Fabrics, Hobby Lobby, and you can also order them on Amazon. So just want to let you know they're really inexpensive. They're about $4 or $5 depending on where you get it. Suffolk Pointe Shoes also sells them on their website. So it's a great tool to have in your bag. Also, if you happen to lose your drawstring and it gets stuck up inside your shoe, this is a really great tool for retrieving your drawstring and getting it back. I've done that quite a bit for other dancers who cut their drawstrings too short. But let's get to it, okay? Okay, dancers, so that's it for replacing your drawstrings in your pointe shoes or retrieving it from your pointe shoes, whichever one. The method works just the same. Just a quick tip, don't tighten and tie your drawstrings until after you've sewn on your elastics and your ribbons. Otherwise, it makes sewing a little bit more difficult. And there will be another video on how to sew ribbons and elastics, as well as how to tie your pointe shoes.